Welcome to today's podcast. We're diving into a topic that's super relevant for small businesses and startups, free lead generation tactics that actually work. It's easy to get caught up in paid ads and complex funnels, but today we'll talk about the strategies that don't require a budget to generate leads.
Absolutely. A lot of small businesses are looking for ways to grow without breaking the bank. So where do we even begin? What's the first step in building a solid, no-cost lead generation strategy?
Well, the foundation starts with your website. It's essentially your digital storefront. You've got to make sure it's optimized with clear calls to action, lead capture forms, and landing pages that really engage visitors.
That makes sense. I've seen websites with really basic landing pages that just don't convert. But how do you actually get people to fill out those forms?
Great question. Offering something of value in exchange for their info is key, like a free ebook, a checklist, or a webinar. These lead magnets are a proven way to turn casual visitors into leads.
I love that idea. So you're saying it's all about giving first. What's next after you've got people visiting your site and grabbing your freebies?
Now it's time to leverage social media. Posting consistently on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook is essential. The key is to provide educational and engaging content that establishes you as an authority in your niche.
Social media definitely helps with visibility. What about Instagram Reels and Facebook Lives? I've heard those are great for engagement.
Exactly. Reels, lives, and even posts are a fantastic way to connect with your audience and show off your expertise. Plus, don't forget to use hashtags strategically. They increase your reach and attract a broader audience without any cost.
That's a good tip. I've seen businesses get great traction just from their organic posts. But what about local businesses? They might struggle to get noticed outside their immediate area.
That's where Google Business Profile comes in. It's free and so powerful for local lead generation. If you're a local service-based business, keeping your profile updated, asking for reviews, and posting regular updates can really drive traffic.
I completely agree. Google's local search feature is such a game changer, especially for small businesses. But we can't forget about SEO, right?
Definitely. SEO is one of the best free tools for generating organic traffic. Using free tools like Google Search Console or Ubersuggest can help you find the right keywords to target. And then creating blog posts around those terms can bring in consistent leads.
SEO is like the gift that keeps on giving. Now, I also want to talk about online communities. How do you think they fit into lead generation?
Online communities like Facebook groups, Reddit, or niche forums are gold mines for building relationships. But don't go in there selling. Focus on offering value. Helping people in these communities builds trust, which often leads to direct messages or inquiries later.
That's a smart approach. People want to buy from those they trust. And lastly, what about email marketing? Is it still effective?
Absolutely. Setting up a simple email list and sending regular, value-packed newsletters is a fantastic way to stay top of mind. Over time, those emails can turn into conversions without spending a penny on ads.
So to sum up, start with your website, optimize your social media presence, take advantage of Google Business Profile and SEO, engage in online communities, and nurture leads with email. Sounds like a recipe for success.
Exactly. Free methods, when done right, can lead to sustainable growth. And at Magno, we specialize in blending these grassroots strategies with automation for scalable success. If you want help putting it all together, don't hesitate to reach out.